Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet ladybug keychain, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. To make that a crochet ladybug, I will use a lace baby cream yarn and hook number 3mm as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make the magic ring as shown now. Then make 6 single crochet stitches inside that magic ring, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 2. I will make a chain, then make 2 single crochet stitches into every stitch across the row, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 3. I will make a chain, then make single crochet stitch into every stitch across the row, then close with slip stitch. I will start round 4 to round 5. I will repeat the previous row. I will start round 6. I will make 2 single crochet together as shown now across the row, then make 40 chains. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I will fill the ball with the stuffed material as shown now. Now I finished 40 chains as shown now. Then close with slip stitch after filled the ball with the stuff's material as shown now. Then cut the yarn and fasten off. Now I finished the head of the ladybug as shown now. Then I will start making the wings for the ladybug as shown now. I will use the red yarn and make a magic ring, then make 3 chains and make 7 double crochet stitches inside that magic ring. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I will start round 2. I will make 3 chains as shown now and turn our work, then make double crochet into same stitch, then make 2 double crochet into every stitch across that row, then cut the yarn and fasten off. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will make another one with the same sequences, then join together by slip stitch from one side, then cut our yarn and fasten off. Then I will start making the body of the ladybug. I will start round 1. I will make the green yarn and make a magic ring as shown now, then make 3 chains and make 17 double crochet into that magic ring, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 2. I will make 3 chains and make double crochet into every stitch across the row, then close with slip stitch. I will start round 3. I will make 3 chains and make double crochet into every stitch across the row, then close with slip stitch. Then I will cut the yarn and fasten off. Now I will join the cap of any bottle with the crochet unit as shown now. Then I will join the head of the ladybug and the wings and the beads by the glue as shown now. And join the close to cover the cap of the bottle by the glue, and join the keychains with the crochet ladybug to finish that crochet ladybug keychain. I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.